Namaskar, my dear friends. We have a question to solve for the value of a. Okay, so our aim is to find out what is the value of a. What we'll do is we have a problem 3 to the power a plus 2 to the power a is equal to 35, right? So how to solve for the value of a is we'll try to express this particular equation in terms of, let us say, x cube plus y cube is equal to something. Let's say x cube plus y cube is equal to, let's say, b. So like that we want to express. So how can we express this particular equation in terms of that so that we can apply some formulas, right? So can we do this thing? Let's say 3 to the power a. Can we write it down 3 to the power a to the power 1 plus 2 to the power a to the power 1 is equal to 35. Now 1 can be written as, let's say, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5. Anything is fine. So what we are going to do is we are going to express in terms of cube. So that's the reason I am going to write it down. 3 by 3. So if we do that, we are going to get 3, 3 to the power a is equal 3 to the power a to the power 3 by 3 plus 2 to the power a to the power 3 by 3 is equal to 35. Now I can take one of the three inside by using the formula a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. Okay. So using that we can write it down as 3 to the power a by 3 whole cube, right, plus 2 to the power a by 3 whole cube is equal to 35. And from here we can write it down as, can you see, let us say 3 to the power a by 3 is x, 2 to the power a by 3 is y. So I can write it down, x cube plus y cube is equal to 35. How we have written? We have considered x is equal to 3 to the power a by 3 and y is equal to 3 to the power, 2 to the power a by 3. You know already x plus x cube plus y cube is equal to, what is the formula? You can refer any website, well, let's say Cube Math or something like that, and you can find out that it is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So using that formula, I can write it down my left side as x cube plus y cube as x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. Now, you know one thing, this 35 can be expressed, in various forms. Okay, like if you want to find out, you can do this 5 into 7, right? So 5 7s are 35. So that is 35 can be written as 1 into 35 or 5 into 7 or 7 into 5 or 35 into 1. So these are the four combinations that is there. So this is what x plus y can be one of them, like 1, 5, 7, 35. Similar to that, x square minus xy plus y square can be other of them. Now you know already that x plus y will always be less than x square minus xy plus y square. So by using this property, you can have only two choices. X plus y can be either 5 or it can be 1. Okay. So let us say definitely it will be actually a 5 because 1 is not possible. Okay. So what will happen? I can write it down as x plus y is equal to 5, and in that case my x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7. One more thing you have to understand, this is very easily possible because 35 is expressible in terms of A into B, like two terms, okay? So that's the reason we are able to find out very easily. Otherwise it would have been little difficult, okay? Now, can we do one thing? We have two equations. We have x plus y is equal to 5, x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7. And we have two unknowns, x and y. So two equations, two unknowns, we can very easily find out. So how shall we do that? So let us say I am going to find out x plus y whole square is equal to 5 square. Then can we express it as x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 25. Now we have two things. One is x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7 from here, and this one, which is x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 25. Now if we subtract, so let's say minus 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 minus, what we are going to get? This x square will get cancelled, y square will get cancelled. So only remaining is this one. So this is minus xy minus 2xy, that is minus 3xy, is going to be equal to 25 minus minus 25 plus 7, that is minus 18. So minus can be taken out, so it can be written as xy is equal to 6. 18 by 3, that is 6. Got it? Now we have two equations. From here we can write it down. Let us say y is equal to 6 by x or x is equal to 6 by y. So we have two equations. X plus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 6. That is y is equal to, let us say, 6 by x. So by putting this one into this equation, what will happen? My x plus 6 by x is equal to 5. So from here we are going to get x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. I am taking x square like this, and then x will come here 5x, so that will come left side plus 6. This you know already how to find for x value. So it can be written as x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0 by splitting 5x into 2x plus 3x. Okay, so we can write it down as, what will happen from here? X, if you take common, it will become x minus 2, minus 3 you take common, it will become x minus 2. Then we take x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. From here we are going to get x equal to 3 or 2. Now you have xy is equal to, or x plus y is equal to 5. Anyway, xy equal to 6. So from here can I get x equal to 3, then y will be 2. X will be 2, y will be 3. So these are the two solutions that is there available with us, right? Now we have to find out the value of a, right? So what was the value we had? We had x is equal to 3 to the power a by 3. So that can be written as 3 is equal to 3 to the power a by 3. So from here we are going to get, let us say, how to get this 3 is equal to a by 3, right? So if we equate the power both directions, so it is nothing but 3 to the power 1. So I can write it down, 1 is equal to a by 3, because we are going to equate the power. So from here we are going to get a equal to 3. Understood? You try out other value. Let us say we can write like this also. X is equal to 3 by a by 3. So we can write it down, x was 2, right? So 2 is equal to 3 by 3 to the power a by 3. So this is not possible, okay? So in that case, you will be having the value a equal to 3 only. So you can reject this one. Another way, let us prove it. So you had the value 3 to the power a plus 2 to the power a equal to 35, and I am telling a equal to 3. So by putting the value of a equal to 3, we are going to get 3 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 is equal to how much? Tell me. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27 plus 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. That is going to be 35, which is going to be right hand side. The other value was little tough to find out. So this is the solution. Thank you.